Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to show you a quick and easy way to shade hair using just a pencil. Let's get started. First, lightly sketch the outline of the hair using a pencil. Make sure to follow the general shape and direction of the hair strands. Next, start shading the hair by applying base layer with 3B pencil, then light strokes with the 5B pencil. Remember to use a sharp pencil for better control over your strokes. And keep rot then pencil after every 2 to 3 strokes. Start with the lighter areas of the hair and gradually build up the darker areas by adding more layers of shading, with 5B pencil and 7B pencil. Take your time and observe the reference photo or real hair to understand the different tones and highlights. Once you've finished shading, you can use an eraser to lightly lift off some areas and create highlights. This will add depth and dimension to your drawing. Remember to be gentle with the eraser and use it sparingly, as we don't want to completely remove all the shading. And there you have it. With just a pencil and a few simple techniques, you can create realistic looking hair shading. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.